and subscribers. I'm in the farm again. Well, you know, preparing the land and preparing the soil to plant some cauliflower and broccoli. So you know, it's cauliflower and broccoli is vegetable, so you know you have to prepare the soil a certain way and you know do some cleaning along with that. So right now I just finished cutting down some grass right there, as you can see. So what I'm about to do right now is make some trenches. So yeah people, I'm preparing the land and preparing the soil to plant cauliflower, broccoli, some sweet pepper maybe. You know, I think I have some sweet pepper suckers I'm going to plant as well. Before that, I'm going to show you the cauliflower and the broccoli suckers that are coming up now. The Rasta planted them, I think, about 5 days ago, and already people, they are bursting. So I'm going to show you that just now. Already, they started germinating already. So the germination process was a success, I guess. Those are the little suckers that are coming up. These are the cauliflower. And as you saw in the video that Ras Job did when he was doing the germination, those are some sweet pepper suckers, but that's not what we're dealing with at the moment. These are the black broccoli. So they have some similarities, people, the suckers, because they almost look alike. So these are the broccoli, and the cauliflowers are over here. So it was two sides, the broccoli and the cauliflower that he did. So I'm just preparing the land to plant those. I'm going to do another video for when they are ready to transplant. So I'm going to do that video along with this. I'm just showing you how I prepare the land to plant those vegetables, which is the broccoli and the cauliflower. And right over here, as you see people, I've already started digging my trench. I've already started digging the trenches, people, right along here. So over here I'm going to plant some sweet peppers as well. And as I showed you before, I clean up the land already. Cut down the grasses that I wanted to cut down. Yeah. So right here is where I'm going to start back and go all the way out there. I already dig this one. This one is going to act as my top trench. Right there. Start back digging the trench right here. So this trench is going to end up right way out there. So I'm going to show you how I did. Well, I really have no line of work with right now. I'm just use the technique same way. Just using the technique same way. I can catch a straight line same way even without a line. This is how I make my trench and cut my trench when I'm doing vegetable farming. Whenever I'm planting broccoli or planting cauliflower, I'm creating a bed right now. So after I finish make the trench them, I'm gonna go back digging the bed. Right? Yeah. We have one trench finished, people. So it starts from all the way from here, so go straight down there. One finished already, so I have two more to go. So I have two more to go. Now I get started on the other one, which is right here, so along right here, so you know, another line here, so to where the bed space at. Yes. So I go get back started for the next one. And this one I go end up all the way out here, so all the way out here, so all the way out there. I'll go spot a grass here, so I cut it down too. In a few, not today, but in a few. I'm going to clean up these grass, you know, get the area clean, so I can get going with the bed after I finish they doing the trenches. The trenches just there, you know, in case rain fall, you don't get too much water in the soil. So I finish dig the other trench, the second to last one now, people. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna shovel it out. I shovel out the dirt. Go all the way back out there. I shovel out this and get on the other one right away. So this are the, I have I have one more remaining after I finish do that one here. I have to clean out them dirt here so the water can flow. Alright. Now when rain fall, too much water run through it. So that's why I'm happy. So I have to make these drains for it. So the water can flow. Alright. Almost finished cleaning out this one. After I finish cleaning out this one, I'm going to start the other one. So I can get them finished and out of the way. So yeah, I'm going to stop it right here so for now. Because over there, so clearly, over here, so I want to clean out. Over there, so I have to clean out over there, so. Because over here, so I'm going to plant something different out right over here, so. So I'm going to stop it right there, so for now. So what I'm going to do? Continue the other one. So here, see how it look, people. So I'm going to come from all the way from out there, so. And the other one over here, so. So it's going to look nice, people. I'm going to clear with them bush here when I start dig the bed. I got about 2 long bed. 2 long enough bed. I can do what? Can plant what I need to plant. I'll get digging the other one now. I finish dig the trench them now. And this is how it look. So we have 1, 2, 3 over there, so. And 4 up there, so. So right away I'm going to get one making the bed them now. So trench part finished. So I'm going to get making the bed them right about now. So the bed them are going to look like this mainly. Like out here, so dig up. So I'm going to do it, go all the way out there. See I have this part when I dig it. So I'm going to make the bed them looking like that. Right here, so. Here, so them all of them lump here. I'm going to use the hoe and take out all of them lump here, so. Not at least. But this is how it look, people. So my trench alright now, I can well waterproof now, people. Fully waterproof. So I just make the bed them now. And after that, I planting. Yeah, man. I will have the cauliflower and the broccoli come. These are the broccoli and cauliflower suckers. These were planted by Ross Job earlier. He did a video on that. Now you guys can check it out. I'll put a link above. Yeah, the link will be above in this video. You guys can check it out. So yeah, they are still young, but they are coming along. I think they need some water just about now. But they are coming. They are coming up. They are in good growth. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start digging the bed. I'm going to start prepare the bed right now. Right just about here. These 2 rows. I'm going to show you. These 2 rows are going to be planted. Those cauliflower and broccoli suckers that I showed you. These are the 2 rows that is going to be planted in. Now you don't want to go too deep, you know, people. Don't want to go too deep with the fork. Just a slightly. Just sink the fork about a good 3 inch good, people. Because I just the topsoil I'm going to need. At the topsoil I have the nutrients in it, so. Yes, I just it alone I'm going to need, so. But just I dig up the topsoil. Yeah. Get them grass here when I cut down. Clean up. Probably use them later on for cover the bed. You know, if it need be, I can use them to cover the bed in case no rain fall. Yeah, people, it's good for the land, good for the plants. You know, to cover the bed in case rain don't fall. So you keep the moisture in the soil. So just I get them clean up just in case I ever need them. Almost finish one bed already. So just I finish up now. And then I get to the other one just after this. So look good already. So cauliflower and broccoli planting, you know. So this is for transplanting. Yeah. So I'll get back on it, people. Know it go already. Farming with Rasta. Like, comment, subscribe. Now, as I said before, you don't really want to go too deep with the fog tail. Yeah. The topsoil is what the nutrients is in. One of the key to planting this the organic way is making sure you have this in your soil. So these are the dried up grasses that I cut when I was cutting down the grass, when I was cleaning up the land. Yeah, so as you can see, I have them right here, putting them to dry, getting them dried. So this is one of the key to organic farming, making sure you have, a little grass in the soil. So what you need to do is mix it in the soil. So yeah, as you can see, I have a little right here, and if I need more, I have it over there. Yeah, people, I have it right over there. So yeah, that's one of the keys to organically planting broccoli and cauliflower. So without those, it won't be organic. So yeah, as I said, just the topsoil. I'm making sure, as you can see, I'm making sure my grass is mixed in the soil. So the grass is what will give the soil moisture and nutrients, right? And keep the soil healthy and strong. So yeah, this is the farming with Rasta way, Yeah, so I'm basically creating here, viewers, is like a vegetable area that, because, vegetables are very expensive in Jamaica and to buy now. So if I can plant it, I mean, why not? Here, definitely lettuce is going to be in there because lettuce is a part of vegetable. Just some other variety of vegetables, but right now I'm just doing the broccoli and the cauliflower part of it. Yeah, so this is just preparation, how to prepare your land and prepare your soil, how to dig the beds and make a trench. Yeah, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe. Okay, so I am finished with this one. So now I'm going to move on over here on the other side. But yes, as you can see, I need to clean it up before. Yeah, so I'm going to start on it right away and get it done. I'm going to plant a lot of broccoli and a lot of cauliflower. I was roasting a one rye planting. This is how it goes in the farm, There it is. Sometimes I have to roast a one little farm fruit. Swear I get. Swear I got. So I'm just gonna give them a little water. Because just like we humans, plants need water too as well. Yes. So these little broccoli and cauliflower suckers are thirsty right now. So I'm just giving them what they love. Yeah. So that will hold them until another day or two, right? I'm going to get back digging that other bed now. I'm almost finished now, people. Yeah, and already it's looking, it's looking, it's coming together. Just about a few meters left. Going about right out there. Where you see this trench stop. Yeah. So, already it's looking okay. Yeah. I'm going to stop right here for today, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to stop right here. I don't think I need to go any further with it. Judging from the amount of broccoli and cauliflower suckers that I have, I don't think I need to go any more further with it. All I'm going to do now is clean out these loose dirt from in the trench that I made, and the ones that, the loose ones that fell in while I was making the bed and digging up the bed. So that's all I need to do next. And then, on to the planting and the transplanting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video with that, because I think this one is going to be too long. So I'm going to make another video with that, with transplanting, how to transplant these suckers, the broccoli and the cauliflower suckers. So that's all I'm going to just do a video with that. So right now I'm just going to clean out back the trenches and have everything set and ready to transplant. So yeah, right over here in this area I'm going to just plant some carrot. I'm just going to plant some carrot over here. So I'm going to clean up that grass over there, and this is why I'm leaving it right here. So right here, I'm not going to dig any further with the beds. So yeah, carrots over there, people. So look out for that video as well. I'm just getting back the trench cleaned out. All these loose dirt that fell in. Also this right in this area, I'm going to level out in this area as well. So but it won't take long. So that's all I need to get done. And in this area right here, I'm going to plant some other vegetable as well, but I don't decide as yet. So, I got plenty other content coming out. So, you guys can look out for that. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, so you guys can see the videos as I drop them, or as I upload a video. You guys would see it. So, yeah. So far it look good, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to take up those grass as well. I'm going to just pack them up and let them dry in case I need them to cover the bed, in case no rain fall. Getting these grass that I cut down, clean up, get them out of the way. I'm just going to pack them one side, viewers. Yeah, I don't want the roof to look untidy, but also I don't really want to get rid of these grass. I just want to keep them just in case I will need them. Which probably, I'll plant some melon as well. So probably I will need them. When I'm ready, I'm just going to dig some holes right here. Okay, viewers, so I'll finish clean out back the trenches and clean up the grass and pack them up right here. Now it's on to the transplanting. So far it's looking good, people. Another view from this angle. So now it's on to the transplanting time. I'm gonna do another video with that. Yeah, I'm going to do another video with this transplant. Probably until the next video, which is transplanting the broccoli and cauliflower suckers. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell, for whenever a video is uploaded, so you guys can get them as I upload them. Until then, I'll see you guys. See you.